Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi yassir walat wassir wa tamim bil khair. Rabbi zidni ilma. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are good. This is the book D3 updated 7th edition, and today we will do exercise 13A and question number 3. Let's start, students. Now, students, this is the question number 3. In a survey on different prices of an article sold in a shop of a certain city, the following results were obtained. These are the prices and these are the frequencies. This means that the x is less than and equal to 90 and x is less than 95. And in these prices, which shops are come? 4. That's why that becomes the frequency. This is the frequency, same here, and that is the survey. And now this data is provided in this question. Now what we have to find? We have to find how many shops were included in the service. How many shops are included in the service? Uh, we have to make the addition of these. We get the total number of the shops which are included in this survey. Now we 4 plus 11 plus 15 plus 24 plus 18 plus 9 and plus 3, and we get the 84. And the how many shops, total number of the shops which are included in the survey? 84 shops. We have to get the total of it. We get the total shops. Very easy. Next point, B point, construct a histogram and frequency polygon to represent the data. Now we have to make the histogram and frequency polygon. And this we draw on the graph paper. To make the frequency polygon, we have to first find the midpoints. The frequency polygon is the graph is in between the frequency and the midpoint. So we have to find the midpoints. The simple method to get the midpoint, we have to add both value. This is 95 plus 90 and it's divided by 2. We get the 92.5. The in your notebook you have to make the third column, which is the column of midpoint. And its midpoint is 92.5 and its midpoint is 97.5 and its midpoint is 102.5 and its midpoint is 567. Yes, 107.5. Its midpoint is 112.5, 117.5 and its midpoint is 122.5. And yes, students, these are the midpoint, and now we have to first draw the histogram, then the frequency polygon on the graph paper. Now, students, I take the frequency along the y-axis, and the cost of the cent is along x-axis. And this is the 90 from 95, 95 to 100, 100 to 105, 105 to 110. These are all the values which are given to us in the question. And the frequency, I take the difference of 2. This 2, 4, 6, 8. The big block is equal to the difference of the 2. In the first, from 90 to 95, the frequency is 4. And the histogram is from 90 to 95. The second is 11. This is 10 and its mid is 11. And the next one is 15. This is 14 and this is the midpoint 15. And the next one is 24 and this is the 24. And the next is 18. And next is 9. This is 9. And the last one is 3. In the middle, this is a 3. Now students, this is our histogram. We also draw the frequency polygon. I already told that the frequency polygon is in between frequency and midpoint. These are the midpoint. 92.5. In 92.5 is this one. And the 47.5 is this one. This is a midpoint. Its midpoint is this one. Its midpoint is this one. This is 107.5. Its midpoint is this one. Its midpoint is this one. And its midpoint is this one. Now we have to join this point. I use scale, this one, and this one, this one, and now students, this is the frequency polygon, and it's in between midpoints and the frequency. And these are the points which we have to take, then we have to match this point, and this is the frequency polygon. If your teachers demand that the you have to draw the frequency polygon on the separate page, you have to draw it separately. You take the frequency there and the cost and the midpoints, and you can draw it like that. And the histogram, and this is the frequency polygon also there. And now students, this is the question number 3 and it's solved. I hope you understand this concept very well. Thank you very much students for watching my videos. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafez.